Okay, so today is July 31st, 2019, and yes, it's my birthday, so what I got is what I'm going to be unboxing today. And on Easter, I got this, which is a genuine Apple charger for my iPhone, because I didn't get one with it when I got it used. So, get that out of the frame. Yeah, this is just the old box I use, because I want something I can mount on my desk as a charger. So, this will hint at what I got. That's the first thing. So, it's a Catalyst waterproof and drop-proof case for AirPods. So, it's just a regular box, which I can... See, there it is. Let's just pull it straight out. So we have, I guess, are these the manual? Yeah. Then the hook. And let me get the case out. The case itself. Look at that. I like black. So they fit in there, and they have a little gap on top. So I think you just fold this out of the way, if I'm correct. And then there's a little charging hole. See if I can. Okay, we'll move this stuff out of the way. And the main. These are the AirPods. Crap. What's it called? Just with the regular charging case. I should make that a little less. Okay. Let's get this perfectly. I always like doing this perfectly. Yeah, this always takes a second. There's a sheet of plastic. And now they ain't coming out of the box. Come on. Okay, I'll be back when I get them out. Okay, so they're coming out. Excuse me. Here it is, designed by Apple in California. And this is the AirPods instructions, along with its safety warnings. Maybe I'll read that. And there they are. I can't pick it up. There you go. Check that out. Now, is there anything else in here? Yeah. A USB to Lightning cable. So, here we go. If I can figure out how to do this. Oh. Type Apple. Yeah, that was... Okay, you know what? Protective measures. Yep, no scratches. Okay. So, now, take this, place in here, like, come on. There you go. They're in their case. So you just fold this out of the way. They did it much easier on the videos. Oh, I just got it. There you go. There you go. And then you How do you actually open? Oh, there they are. That's awesome. Now, just gonna shut you. Keep you out of the way. And we'll move to the charging cable, which isn't very much, but be back when I get it open. Box is all back together. Here they are, completely unboxed. So, I'll see you next time. Bye.